So this is my weld station. Probably won't have it much longer. Monday will probably be my last day of work here, which is a bummer. Running out of work. This is a AMI 307 machine. Thought I'd show you how it works a little bit. At least how we coupon in on it. This is the logon screen. That's our mag. Of course, it's got a keyboard up here on top. Our gas stick. Our remote. And our weld head with an Astro clamp. This is a facing tool, and here's a coupon that I just cut. It goes into the end of this like this. So you can see how the end of it's nice and square now. Here's our display for a particular weld. This happens to be a 1/2 inch high purity stainless electropolish weld. It has all the parameters here that we have to go set up. Once the machine's all hooked up and the right parameters are put in, we come over here and do our mag, which I'll cover here pretty soon. Hook everything up like it's shown here in this picture, and then weld away. Before we make this weld, we got to set the magnehelic. Take this T, stick on here, put a little argon in here, have the purge fitting on, then we go over and set our mag up. About 1.2. We can adjust it with this valve over here, this needle valve. And once we get it set up, we can take this apart and get ready to weld it. Okay, we have a piece of 1/2 inch electropolish tubing here. Then we have to place it in the weld head, and it has to line up, real critical actually, on a piece of tungsten in this weld head. So now I've got one side lined up and I have a top of it shut, and then I'll put the other piece of tube in here in a second. So the other piece is in here now. Got the purge on it and the purge fitting, so it's ready to weld. So once we have everything set up, the coupon's all been faced and we've tacked it, we put it in the weld head, come over here and make sure it's in start, turn on the manual purge. Make sure it's in counterclockwise mode. We've already magged it. Come over here to the pennant. We can fire this thing up to get this weld made. It's already in weld mode now. Manual purge is on. Hit start button. Here we go. Mix the weld. The display shows where we're at or where the tungsten is on the tubing. It's coming around to the top. It's going to go down through the downslope, and it will automatically shut off here in a minute, and then we've got our weld made. That weld is finished. We can open this puppy up. You can see what this weld looks like. Try to roll it here for you. We end up splitting the coupon and look at the inside and the outside of the weld. We don't make them this short. I just happen to make it this short for demonstration purposes, and then we inspect it, and that's it.